Hey there! In this section we're covering where does SEO fit into marketing. So SEO is part of this larger discipline, if you will, called inbound marketing. There's really two types of marketing that we need to define. First off, there's the traditional kind of disruption marketing. So that's things like television ads, banner ads, radio ads, things that, say for example, you're listening to a show or viewing something that you're really interested in, and then it just kind of grabs your attention and kind of disrupts the normal process of what you're doing. That'd be referred to as a disruption ad. Whereas inbound marketing is more so aimed at trying to provide value to people that are innately, say, searching or looking for something, and then just providing the answer or some sort of a resource to them. So I know that sounds a little bit complicated at first, but just think SEO inbound marketing. And specifically, when we look at this marketing funnel, we can see the top stage here is just attracting strangers. And that's really where SEO primarily deals with. Things like blogging, social media ties in a little bit, keywords, pages on the website, backlinks, that sort of stuff. That's really going to be where SEO shines. So breaking down the attract portion of this funnel a little bit, you can see pulling users to your website by providing valuable resources. As I mentioned in the prior slide with Danny Dover, that's pretty much it. We're just creating valuable resources that answer people's questions and make their lives easier. And in doing that, you get a lot of loyal visitors to your website. And that kind of fits into the larger process of branding and marketing. SEO has really expanded a lot in the past though, and a lot of SEOs are now kind of expected to do inbound marketing in general if you're working for, say, freelance clients or that sort of thing. If you're working in-house, then, obviously if it's a large company, you get kind of lucky in that you can really focus on one specific thing at a time. But some people, not so lucky. So anyway, that's where SEO fits into the basics of marketing. Fits into inbound, and it's non-disruptive. It provides value to people.